My brothers and sisters, hope everyone's doing good. I'm here to shed a little clarity on these charts for you from an Elliott wave point of view. Everyone is so damn bullish right now on Bitcoin and crypto markets. Should they be? The bulls are getting euphoric. The bears are getting so scared. This is the emotion that I live for and that I need to see, people. I love it. I'm going to give you a count today that says there's going to be continuation to the upside and we go to the all-time highs and up into the abyss. But I am also going to give you a Elliott wave count that will bring us back down here, and I need you to be aware of both of these counts. We're also going to go over VeChain, because homie in the comments wanted to see VeChain. Leave a comment down below if you want me to chart any asset, crypto, commodity, stock. It does not matter. If I like your comment, I will chart it in the next video. Leave a comment. Guys, join the Discord. It's free, linked in the description below. There's a free option with free alerts, free chat. I pop in there. Great community. I have my long-term analysis. There's a premium option with premium alerts. Because at the end of the day, guys, I'm a day trader. The macro is great, but I'm a day trader. I'll look at the macro to kind of plan trades, but I'm worried about the small time frames and just whipping this market. We're going to start off this video. The previous video that I posted, I'm getting so much hate in the comments. I love it. I love it. You guys. Whew. But listen to what I said here. Listen closely. I'm going to need, you guessed it, another 5 waves. And quite frankly, we do not have 5 waves finished. I have 1, 2, this is 3. 3's probably finished. Going to flag out for 4 into 5. That's the shape that I need to see. That's the shape that I need to see. Kind of shape, one more hit to maybe 56K. Could just barely. Okay? It's all about the shape of these waves. Guys, let's zoom into exactly where I was. And let's see. So we had 1, 2, 3. I said we needed a wave 4 to come down into wave 5. Do we see a wave 4 here, guys? Because I don't. Do you? We had a little consolidation period, but then we kept blasting through. That's not going to do it for me. Yeah, I fired a little short bullet here to see if we can catch something. This keeps going. So be it. This is not the shape that says, okay, we're going to come down. It's just not it. I needed this to flag out into a wave 4 and then hit for wave 5. We didn't get that. All right. I'm sorry I can't be posting videos every 15 seconds for you guys. Join the Discord. That's what it's there for. I'll see you in there. If you leverage trade, guys, use MEXC. It's linked in the description down below. They got the lowest fees around right now. It's no KYC. It's no VPN. The link in the description will get you 10% off those fees and up to $1,000 deposit bonus. So click the link, register. They got a sick app, super clean, super easy to use. Let's take a look at the frickin' charts, boys and girls. This pump looks pumpy. It does. Is it designed to look like that? Maybe. At the end of the day, guys, I'm counting these waves, and I can't not count them like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 5th, big extended 5th. Okay, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in here. Now this 5th wave, this is just super extended. It is what it is. So if you want to see continuation, you're going to have to call this a 1, 2, which is fine. Here's our big wave 3. If it breaks the all-time high, breaks the all-time high, all right? Then you got to see a big wave 4 into a wave 5, all right? Then you would see a retrace. maybe around when the halving is, or a consolidation, some type of a retrace up around the all-time highs, maybe something like that into this liquidity, and then you would get continuation 1 2 3 4 5 going up. Now let's go to the weekly. This is the MEXC chart, so I don't have a lot of, oh no, this is Coinbase chart, still not a whole lot. All right, now if you see some action like this, we can expect a little bit more of a pump to the upside. I would be expecting, if this 5-wave impulses and retrace, I would expect this to be a full-blown impulse rather than a corrective structure. So you would expect another flag out here and then another hit high. And that's our finished 1 2 3 4 5. So guys, the implications of this happening means we're mooning. Like, I'm talking 160K upwards. Do we think that's possible? Just look at how extended RSI is on the weekly, monthly. It's up there. Is this a possibility? I mean, it's crypto, it's Bitcoin. Looking at it right here, that looks kind of nice, doesn't it? So if we are to pump through, I would expect some type of a fake swing failure of the all-time high, maybe up to 80K, a consolidation, let RSI reset, and then get into the latter half of the year and we just pump hard. Another option is that this is our 1 2. This goes up super high for 3, we get 4, and then 5, and then that's a finished wave. I don't see how this can happen when our RSI is just so overbought right now, but time will tell. Time will tell. Now, let's get into the bearish view. First of all, I'm going to zoom in real quick. We have a mega dump right here. I don't see any signs that this is a flat of any kind. This is a dump. I see a nice corrective structure in here. We retrace this move nicely to the 786. And in my opinion, there's a good chance we at least come down, right, in ABC fashion. Something like that, and then we can continue more. So I'm expecting some consolidation here, another leg down in the smaller term time frames. This is a nice impulse off the top. We love to see that, and I want to see the sucker come down a little bit. Now, what is this bearish view that I'm speaking of? Well, being realistic, pulling a fib from the top of the move all the way down to the bottom. We are at the 0.9 fib. Right now, this has an A, B, extended C shape to it. I don't see a wave out into another wave. It's not impulsive yet. This definitely has a wave 3 form and a wave 3 impulsivity to it, but it can also be considered a wave C. We've hit the 0.9 fib. Now, I'm just drawing an ABC. This could be a WXY, but it's a zigzag, right? So we have a correction down, a correction up as of right now that hit the 0.9 fib. This is the first target you would expect to hit for a flat. Another target is the 1. Another target would be a breakthrough, maybe to the 2618. I don't want to see an ABC get extended past that, so maybe a slight breakthrough. But this whole box right here, the 2618 box, is definitely a spot that it can get rejected at. Now, what will it look like if it does reject? Well, if we have a correction down, a correction up that retraces at least to the 0.9 fib, you would expect an impulse to the downside, pulling your fibs like so. And you would expect to come down to the 1. That would be in the form of a very extremely impulsive wave. Like so. And then we get our move to the upside, the actual move. Is this a possibility? Yeah. Is it the greatest possibility? No. But it's a good chance of this happening. It's not like this it's a far-fetched idea. There's a good chance of this happening, guys. You need to be aware of it. And this is on the macro view. So take it with a grain of salt, guys. I'm not saying to YOLO your life savings right here because we might get this big ass move down. You got to look at the smaller time frames and trade accordingly. But this is definitely in the cards. It's probably my second most probable option. The most probable count is that this is a 1, 2, this is a 3. We're finishing up our 5th wave right here. And we will flirt around here, wave out into wave 4, hit up to a wave 5 like that. And that will be our finished 5-wave structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can expect some type of correction action. And then more upwards. That's the most probable situation right now, okay? Have a nice little consolidation period, and then we shoot up. If you are not in a trade, do not be afraid to short this, guys. That's all I'm saying. Do not be afraid to short this. As we zoom in, like I said, this is just a nice retrace of this impulse to the downside. Great short to be in. I want to alert my boys right now, but I'm busy making this video for you. And that's where we're at. Let's look at VeChain. Let's look at VeChain. And other cryptos are kind of showing the same thing. All right. So VeChain here, I see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 finished. It's beautiful. And in that 5-wave structure, if we look at this, I have a finished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with a gnarly impulse to the downside. Let's zoom in a little more. 1, 2, 3. Right now it's corrective. I would expect another hit down. So this could be a flat. Keep that in mind. I would expect this to come down, trickle right into this liquidity range, and then shoot up for another one. That would be my first bet because you have a correction here, impulse down, and then we can shoot up again. Or you could say, hey, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's done. Let's impulse down. Let's correct this, and now let's come down a little bit. So VeChain to me is not something I want to get into. There's on the 4-hour bearish divergence on everything. That's bearish to me, guys. That's bearish to me. Let's be realistic here. All right. So nothing is absolute. VeChain, I would say there's a 90% probability this is going to come down here at least. Work its way down. All right. That's just what I'm seeing in the charts, guys. I can't unsee what I see. I just calls it as I sees it. I appreciate you watching the video. Join the Discord to stay up to date with what I'm doing. I'll see you in premium. Use MaxC linked in the description below. Subscribe to the channel, goddammit. We're almost at 1,000 subs. I think we can get 1,000 subs with this video. Thanks for watching, everyone. It's been real. I love you all. Bye.